El-Elyon Institute negasngi kalayo awan penlong ya ka program bansa me ki Syrnod lemat ki tiar kitar shaki lai phongut ki khon Samla jaga themri bhoi ki bala pendep ya ka jingsha hi kai Khap Sñiuh men salon ka bala dep ban penlong nadu ka nyau trik rampang hadu nyau trik leber ar hajar ar pusau ha ka shnong nongjri ya ka tega jingsha hi kai ka ba hapo jaga sangkap aspirational skilling abhiyan project halor ka men salon ka bala dep ban penlong ha ka shnong nongjri la penya da ka office jeng deputy commissioner Ribhoi district haka jinga tre rengkat lang bat ke El-Elyon Institute bat ke Meghalaya State Skill Development Society haka ni kasni lawan bansa ni ki Syrnod da deputy commissioner ke Ribhoi Peit upadhaya IAS haka jinga dan lang de Cruz general manager DCIC kong S Nongbri skills development officer Ribhoi lambat kinong penyat ke El-Elyon Institute ki ba kentup ya Samla san kupar singkli bat ke Samla dari hon lengdo
There is a reason why we actually chose this particular kind of a training. The reason behind this is that this is one skill which we all require in our society, which will give you a readily income. There are opportunities like you can set up your own also, you can work with someone else also. Even if you start working with someone else, eventually you will open up some other place. It requires a very less investment in the initial phase and it gives you a steady income. And you have to understand this thing that there is no such job which is people say it's a lowly job or something like that. No, you are all going to do service to a society. You understand this thing, you have to believe this thing, and you have to feel very much happy that you are being given this opportunity by the God to serve the society. I believe that your experience has been good with the training, and I could see a lot of hands raised when we were asked whether you would like to start your own setup. We are very fortunate enough today that Bosco is here from DCIC, and we have madam from MRB, and we have madam from MRB. So we have madam from MRB also, who will tell, both of them will tell you on how you can tap in the opportunities which are already available to you to make your own setup. See, whatever great things happen, they all start with very humble beginnings. So I wish that this is that humble beginning for which you were looking for in your life, and I would I would be very happy to see if in future you become job creators for others also. So after me, they will deliver you. They will tell you about PM-EGP loans, about government loans which are available to you, which you can avail. I hope all of you listen very carefully to whatever it's being said to you, and then you can later on decide. We are always going to be there to help you out in your future endeavors. Even in future also, in case you need any kind of a support, you can always approach Madam Stephanie or through your institute, and we will always try to help you out in the best possible way, whatever can be done depending on the schemes available. So I hope you will all benefit in the next with the upcoming speakers, and I hope that you have had a very good training. And I would like to congratulate El-Elyon Institute also for conducting such kind of a training. I got to know that some of them were paying their own rent to stay in that place. So this kind of like it's very encouraging, and we would like to in future also we will try to conduct some more plans, and we can develop this plan also in future if it is required. And with this note, I wish all of you great success in your life. May God bless everyone, and Khuborjylla.